Building knowledge is ordinary. Building character is extraordinary. One needs to build knowledge as a foundation for a strong structure to be showcased. The showcase will be of great stature if character becomes a little extra for the knowledge, and Dr. Krishna Ella is a wonderful showcase of it. Krishna Ella built his knowledge by graduating from University of Agriculture Science and chose to build a little extra knowledge by completing his PhD from University of Wisconsin-Madison in the field of plant pathology. He became Dr. Krishna Ella, a gold medalist at university. His hunger for building knowledge continued. He became a research faculty at the Medical University of South Carolina, Charleston. As a research scientist in molecular biology, Dr. Ella strongly believes that innovative technology in vaccine development is essential to solve public healthcare problems caused by infectious diseases. His last name, Ella, in the Telugu language translates to how in English. He wanted to be a little extra and figure out that how. He returned back to India in 1996 to start Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad, the capital of the Telugu-speaking state. Driven by a vision to develop innovative remedies for developing world healthcare challenges, Dr. Krishna Ella, a first-generation entrepreneur, established Bharat Biotech International Limited in 1996, a company that has delivered over 4 billion vaccine doses to the poorest and most underserved in over 150 developing countries through UNICEF, Gavi, and other distribution channels. With over 115 patents, the company has over 12 vaccines in its portfolio and employs over 1,600 people. Dr. Ella strongly believes that innovative technology in vaccine development is essential to solve public health care problems caused by infectious diseases. Most recently, Bharat Biotech has been working on a development of 3 COVID-19 vaccine candidates, 2 of which are international collaborations with University of Wisconsin-Madison and Thomas Jefferson University. The third is an indigenous vaccine development project in collaboration with ICMR. Covaxin is India's first indigenous vaccine developed against COVID-19. Under Ella's leadership, Bharat Biotech has grown to become a global leader in innovative vaccines. A serial entrepreneur with a passion for innovative ideas, Dr. Ella has also ventured into veterinary vaccines, food processing, and developing biotechnology infrastructure in the country. Dr. Ella is focused on helping Indian farmers, an area that influences his life and is closest to his heart, through BioVet, Innova Food Park, Ella Foods and Malur Farms. He is enabling Indian farmers to gain access to the previously inaccessible marketplaces through value-added products, adoption of advances in agricultural methods, improved post-harvest management practices, and not just on production. He is also a recipient of more than 100 national and international awards. Dr. Ella's dream is to develop a sustainable ecosystem of healthy people, healthy produce, and healthy livestock. Building knowledge is ordinary. Building character is extraordinary.